How to use lawn fertilizer during the summer. Fertilizers are like food for your lawn. They provide essential nutrients and minerals that the grass needs to thrive but that may be naturally lacking in the soil. Warm season grasses grow during the summer months and they require fertilizing during this time as well. Although the process of applying fertilizer in the summer is similar to applying it in the winter, the hot temperatures of summer require a few modifications. Things you'll need: thatch rake, 25-610 slow-release granular fertilizer, fertilizer spreader, garden hose. Wait until the late summer to apply fertilizer, which is approximately halfway through the growing season for warm season grasses. Rake the entire lawn with a thatch rake to remove the buildup of dead organic matter on the surface of the soil. This organic matter prevents the fertilizer from reaching the grass roots. Scoop up the thatch and dispose of it in the trash. Fill a fertilizer spreader with a slow-release granular fertilizer that has numbers of 25-610. Refer to the fertilizer package to determine how much to use for the size of your lawn. Position the spreader at the side of the lawn area and open the hopper to begin releasing fertilizer granules. Walk over the lawn in closely spaced rows to spread the granules evenly over it. Water the soil to a 3-inch depth immediately after applying the fertilizer. Rewater the lawn every 2 days for 1 week afterward to help the fertilizer take effect. Tips: warnings. Some time-release fertilizers only last for 2 to 3 months, while others can last for 8 months. It's best not to apply fertilizer during periods of drought, even if you water it in afterward, since the grass is in a distressed state.